Hello video creators, welcome to Hip Hop channel. How do you like the effect in the beginning? You can leave your comments below to let us know your opinion, and we would very much appreciate it if you can subscribe and share. This will be a great help for us. So in this video I will show you how to achieve this cool effect using Premiere Pro, without any plugins. Now follow me into the tutorial. So we open Premiere Pro, double-click the project area, a file will pop up. I'm just going to select the files we need and import them into Premiere Pro. Here I have prepared 3 files, one glitch sound effect, one flowing line video, and a video footage. I found them on the internet. You can either film the footage yourself or found them online. Alright, now I drag the footage to the timeline. As you can see that there is no any light effect on the sunglasses in the original footage. I will cut the footage from here, because we don't need too long. What we are going to do is to map this moving lines video to the sunglasses. So we place it above the footage, and shorten it to the same length. Then, make sure you have selected the upper video, go to the Effect Controls panel. Change its blend mode to lighten. It will hide the black background of the video and only shows the bright lines. There are a lot of other blend modes here. Each one can generate a specific effect. You are free to try them to reach a different effect. As you can see that the lines cover the whole video, we need to make sure they only appear in the sunglasses. So we are using the mask to do it. Locate the timeline to the first frame, then select this pen tool here. Draw a shape according to the sunglasses. Like this. Now the mask has been created. The lines are gone. Because all the lines can only be seen inside the mask, what we need to do next is to move the timeline a little bit. The mask is still. It won't follow the movement of the sunglasses unless we animate it, so we are adding some keyframes to it. We locate the timeline a few frames by the first frame. Adjust the mask path to match the sunglasses. These controllers can help you better match this shape. Repeat the process. Locate the timeline a few frames next to the former one, and do the same thing. I know you must have a lot of question about this, such as how much time it will cost, and how many keyframes I need to add. No worries, it is common when making video effects. The process is boring, but I have some tips for you to speed up the process. We don't actually need to keyframe every frame. Just create some important keyframes, like 1 key per second, or create keys based on the footage. I will simply speed up this process here. Let's see the final result. As you can notice that in some frames the lines don't match with the sunglasses, we just need to keyframe them again and make some adjustments. Yes, after making some quick adjustments, we can see now the lines are well masked. What we will do now is to add more lights to the flowing lines. The effect I'm going to use is called VR Glow. You can search it in the effects panel. Just drag and drop it to the video to apply. In here we can change its parameters. It depends on your needs. Okay, we can compare the difference between before and after. It is fine now, not too strong and not weak at all. I will click this FX button to turn off showing the effect because this effect will drain the ability of the computer. When we finish the setting, we will turn it on again. Next, we will add a glitch effect to make it look like in a cyberpunk world. The effect we are using is called VR Digital Glitch. Apply it to the video. Now we will need to keyframe it to make the glitch effect. I have already done a viable setting here. You can follow my setting, or you can customize it yourself. These little dots are the keyframes. Through them we can control the effect to act as we want. I will speed this up. Alright, now it's almost done. If you don't like this sharp edge of the mask, no worries. We can adjust the mask expansion and mask feather to soften the edge. Now it looks better. The final step is to add some sound effects, and here I will use a sound of glitch. Just place the sound effect in where the glitch appears. And yes, it is finished. So this is the end of this video. If you like this cool effect, why not give it a try yourself? Hope you enjoy it, and please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for other creative tutorials. Your encouragements will be a great help for us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.